All right, good morning, boys and girls. Today is April 28, 2020, and today is Monday. We'll be working this day for our reading, maths, language arts, science, social studies, science, and fine art. All right, for reading, the title of our story is Painting. I'm going to say it again, Painting. A lot of you know how to paint, but this story is going to tell us about painting done by a boy and a girl. Now, the first thing you need to do is to write your first name and your last name. Remember, don't forget to write it so that I can know who has what. All right, now listen to the story. We have two pictures here. There's a picture of a boy and a girl. So this picture is going to tell us what's going on when we read the story. Now listen. The boy likes to paint. Who likes to paint? The boy. He can paint the sun. Now we know what the boy can paint. The boy can paint the sun. All right, now listen to the next one. The girl likes to paint too. Uh-oh. Now we know the girl also likes to paint. Now let's see what the girl likes to paint. She can paint a flower. Wow, so we know what the boy can paint, and we also know what the girl can paint. The boy can paint the sun, and the girl can paint the flower. Now let's answer the question. We have 3 questions for you to answer. Now the first one I'm going to read and answer it, and I'm going to say the next 2. Now listen. The boy can paint the blank. Can the boy paint a dog, or a sun, or a flower? Now from the story says he can paint the sun. Now I'm going to look for the sun right here. This is the sun. I circle the sun and I cross out the rest. Now I'm going to read the next 2 questions and you answer it. The girl can paint the blank. Is it the flower, the cat, or the sun? And then number 3 is asking, the boy and the girl like to blank. Do they like to run, or hide, or paint? Don't forget to write the word in the blank. And that's it for this page.
All right, boys and girls, on language arts for today, we're going to be counting on syllables. So let's go ahead. Syllable count. Let's follow the direction. Say the name for each picture. Count how many syllables are in the word. Then circle the correct answer. I'm going to be pronouncing all the words of this picture for you. Then I'm going to let you hear the syllables. All right. Number 1 is going to be chair. Let's go. Chair. How many syllables? 1. Now, number 2, I have dragon. Dragon. How many times? 2. Then number 3, I have bow. Let's hear this. How many syllables in bow? Bow. Now, number 4, I have alligator. Listen again. Alligator. So how many times did I bound the table? Then you're going to circle the number. Here, number 5, I have carrot. How many times? How many syllables do you have there? You're going to circle it. Number 6, we have net. How many syllables can you hear? Now, number 7, I have bug. Let's bang the table. Bug. How many syllables? Then you circle the number. Number 8, I have umbrella. How many times? How many syllables can you hear from umbrella? You circle the number. Number 9, I have cherry. How many syllables can you hear in cherry? Then you're going to circle the numbers. Number 10, I have nuts. How many syllables can you hear in that? You circle the number. Number 11, I have princess. How many syllables can you hear from princess? Then 12, I have pancakes. pancakes. So how many syllables do you hear in pancakes? You circle the number. All right, I'm going to do number 1 for you. Then let's go ahead. Number 1 says cheer. How many syllables? It is 1. So I'm going to circle number 1. Make sure you put your first name and your last name on all the answer sheet.
All right, boys and girls, for math, we are going to do our number lines. Okay, the number lines, you're going to fill in the missing numbers in the number line. Now, there's an arrow to the left and there's an arrow to the right. All right, once you count forward, which is to the right side, you're going to add up. When you count backwards, you're going to minus. But you can go forward from here. So we have some numbers already written for us here. We have 0, 1. What comes after 1? I'm going to tell you. It's 2, 3, 4. The number is missing here. I'm going to say 5, 6, 7. There's a number missing here. And I'm going to write the number 8, 9. All right, for number 2, it's starting from 10 all the way to 18. You're going to say the numbers and fill in the blanks. Number 3, we have 14 all the way to blank. You're going to say the number from 14, fill in the blanks all the way down here. For number 4, we have 9 all the way to 18. Fill in the blanks, say the number and fill it in. And for number 5, it's from 20 all the way to a blank. Say the number 20, count and put the numbers, and make sure you write your first name and your last name.
All right, boys and girls, this is science. In science for this week, we're going to be talking about the weather. So how many types of weather do we have? We have spring, winter, summer, fall. And for today, we'll be talking more on spring. Now, when you look at this picture, you see what happened during springtime. Remember, we've talked about this before you left. So spring, you see all this are flowers growing. They're going to be blooming. You see sometimes the rain falls. The weather is not that hot. The weather is nice. You can go outside. You can melt your eyes outside. You see them, melting. Now, so what you're going to do today is you're going to color the pictures, the beautiful flowers. Nice one. And you color the girl wearing the spring clothes. That's all you need to do on this page, and make sure you put your first name and your last name. All right, boys and girls, for this week's social study, today is Monday, we're going to be talking about this traffic light. All right, let's go ahead and look at the traffic light that we have. You might have been seeing it every time you're going out. Let's look at this one. What color is this? Red. What does red mean? It says stop. You cannot cross the stop red light. We need to stop. Then when you see the yellow, when the light turns yellow, what does it say? It tells you to slow down, but here we have wait. But we still need to slow down because sometimes before you cross the lights, it will have turned red. So you want to be careful. And the next sign is green. What does green mean? It means you're free to go. And if you're going to, you need to still check whether the road is still safe. So those are what we have for the social study for today. Put your first name and your last name. On your own paper, I already have a colored one. Just make sure you color it red, yellow, green.